In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a call on Gmail. Whether you're catching up with a friend or joining a virtual meeting, Gmail makes it easy to stay connected right from your inbox. This feature integrates seamlessly with Google Chat, allowing for both text and video communication. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to initiate a call directly from your Gmail account with just a few clicks. Firstly, let's get started by navigating to your Gmail account. Open your preferred web browser and go to Gmail's login page. Enter your credentials if you aren't already logged in. Once you're in your inbox, you'll want to direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you will find a series of icons and tabs, one of which says Chat. This will be our starting point. Clicking on the Chat tab will open up a list of your recent conversations. If you've used Google Chat before, you'll see familiar names and ongoing chats. If this is your first time, don't worry. The interface is intuitive and easy to navigate. From this list, select the person you wish to call. If you don't see the name, you can use the search bar above to quickly find them. Just type in the person's name or email, and Google's powerful search engine will handle the rest. Once you have selected the person, you'll see the chat interface open up. Here you can view any previous messages exchanged, which can be useful if you want to reference past conversations. But for a video call, we're interested in a small camera icon located at the top right of the screen. This icon represents the video call function. To initiate the call, simply click on the camera icon. At this point, Gmail may prompt you to allow access to your device's camera and microphone. Be sure to grant these permissions so that you can be seen and heard during your call. Your call will begin shortly after these settings are confirmed. Keep an eye on the screen. Depending on the recipient's settings, they might need a few seconds to join the call after you initiate it. During the call, various options will be available to enhance your communication experience. You can mute your microphone if you need to minimize background noise, turn off your video for bandwidth conservation, or even send text messages via the chat interface while the call is ongoing. This flexibility makes Gmail calls a versatile choice for staying in touch. And there you have it. Now you're equipped with the knowledge to make video calls directly from your Gmail account. It's a simple yet powerful way to connect with people, whether they're in the next room or across the globe. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your conversations.